Roman James. Roman James. This is Roman's second Christmas. It's Christmas 2014. He is 22 months. And he's playing with his toys. It actually was pretty successful. He ran right to the ball and yelled, "Basketball!" We didn't wrap his presents. Yes. What is that? What is that you're holding?
Basketball!
That's right. Basketball! That's right. Basketball. Oh, you're so funny. Mommy loves you. Say, hey, Roman. Are you gonna? Oh, he likes his sister's toy. Roman, are you gonna dance? Are you gonna dance? Go, boy. I see ya. All right.